Two adult humpbacks explode from the sea in perfect unison. A rare double breach. 40 tons of muscle launching skyward, then slamming down with the force of a small explosion. Both adults have been breaching repeatedly, the mother and her escort rising again and again, testing strength, displaying power. Each leap demands immense energy, up to 200 kilojoules, as they drive their tails through tons of water. Between them, a 4-month-old calf joins in. Small leaps, playful rolls. Scientists believe this behaviour strengthens muscle and coordination for the long migration south. Every splash, every roll, a rehearsal for survival. It's social, it's athletic, and it's breathtaking. A rare sight, raw power, perfect timing, and the ocean's own choreography at its best.